This photo is a very early view of Commercial Street in Tredegar, and as the name suggests, was the main shopping area in the town. This area was formed by the opening of the ironworks and coal mines at the start of the Industrial Revolution. With so many people working and living in the area, shops were needed to supply them with the goods they required. The buildings and shops on the left-hand side were built first and were known as Collier's Row. The right-hand side was added later and the street name changed to Commercial Row. The large stone building on the right was the Midland Bank, while next door was S.L. Thomas, the ironmonger, whose shops was decorated in signs and globes for BP and Castrol fills. At the far end of the photo is a large building, which was the snooker hall that provided locals with a place to relax and unwind. Today, many of the old shops have been redesigned and buildings such as the snooker hall and ironmongers have been demolished, with new buildings and shops put in their place. One building that has hardly changed at all is the Midland Bank, which stands almost exactly as it did back then, although today downstairs stands empty and derelict.